Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos using roti. First, select your preferred roti, like a soft paratha or a classic chapati. Gently warm each roti on a dry pan over medium heat for about 30 seconds on each side. This makes them soft and flexible, perfect for folding without any cracks. You want them warm enough to be pliable but not crispy. Next, let's prepare your delicious taco filling. Whether you prefer seasoned ground beef, chicken, or a vibrant vegetarian mix, make sure it's cooked thoroughly and bursting with flavor. Don't forget to add your favorite spices and perhaps a touch of a zesty sauce or salsa to elevate the taste. This is where you can really get creative. Now for the fun part, assembly. Lay your warm roti flat and spoon a generous portion of your prepared filling down the center. Pile on your favorite toppings like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, a sprinkle of cheese, or a dollop of sour cream. Gently fold the roti in half or roll it up to create your unique and delicious roti taco. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your culinary creation. These roti tacos are best enjoyed fresh and warm. You can offer additional sauces, like a spicy chutney or a cool raita, on the side for dipping. Get ready to savor a delightful fusion of flavors and textures. Enjoy your homemade roti tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.